Welcome to 1633 Kenora Drive in Escondido, California. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 2-bath home is 2,031 square feet on nearly a quarter acre. As you enter, the spacious living room is on the left, complete with a wood-burning fireplace and new carpet. Continuing, you enter the dining room, which is open to the completely remodeled kitchen, featuring gorgeous cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen has direct access to the garage and laundry area. Just off the dining room is a cozy TV room or office space, which opens into a sun-filled breakfast room that would also make an ideal playroom for kids. The first bedroom is the master, with custom closet doors and its own remodeled bathroom. Down the hall, bedroom 2 is used as a guest room. It's next to the updated main bath with a new vanity, lights, and fixtures. Just across the hall, bedroom 3 is not in use at this time, but is a large room with direct access to the backyard. Bedroom 4 is currently used as a staging area for packing. It is approximately 10 by 10, and bedroom 5 is currently tenant occupied. It is approximately 10 by 12. In the fully fenced backyard, you'll find flower beds, fruit trees, and plenty of space for entertaining. The home is very well maintained and move-in ready. Other features include upscale ceiling fans throughout, new interior doors and designer baseboards, central air, and location on a quiet street in the coveted Oak Hill neighborhood. To arrange a private showing, please call or text Marty Kilby at 619-846-9249. We hope you've enjoyed our virtual open house.